Thanks to everybody to join our webinar. I'm Davide Fabris, in charge of technical support and training for Vimar Export Department. With this webinar, we begin our courses, online courses, webinars, focusing different arguments. And this is the first one. We introduce our catalog, our solution, our systems. While in the next webinars, we are going to go deeper in some specific topics related to automation system, video door entry system, security system, and much more. So now let's begin with the basic overview of our catalog, our solutions. At the end of the first part, I will stop for a while in order to let you send me through the chat your questions to clarify doubts, and then as well at the end of the webinar I will be here to answer your questions and clarify doubts. So we can begin telling you that Vimar is a focus in to produce switches, sockets, but not all. And our products are related, can be used, can be found in very large kind of application installation, like residential, hospitality, nautical, on ships, cruiser, yachts, and open spaces, office buildings, health, like a hospital, and culture, like theater and so on. So we want to improve the life, providing also a good living with the experience of a switch, behind the switch, so something more than a simple device. Vimar is an Italian company that was founded in the 1945 in Italy, northeast of Italy, and we are still based here. We are proud to invest, to grow in this part of Italy, and the new logistic hub, together with our two other plants. We are nearby Marostica, the town where the company began in the 1945, is also an important proof that we are focused on the made in Italy in order to provide the best experience on design and technology. We are not only an Italian company, but we are present in more than 100 countries worldwide. We have subsidiaries and branches in 9 countries, plus 10 direct persons that support our customer locally to improve, to increase our business, our presence worldwide. So really, now we are talking about 1,300 people, employees in the company, but not only focus on the Italian market, but on the entire world. Our products are mostly focused on the design, because we are famous for our design, for our quality, and really with our solution, our aesthetic solution, our combination of serious materials, finishing, and really much more. Really, we find the customers are able to find the right solution for every kind of lifestyle, environment, architecture. Here you find also some prizes that we won in the last years with our products, like the Red Dot Awards, the Archi products, and the Iconic Award design for different kind of products, from switches, but also for the touchscreens, the customer interface. Why? Because now we are moving towards the connected systems. So not only just a simple switch, but a solution that connect you with your house, with your function, let you be in touch with your really home, and you are able with this solution, connected solution, to control and to get also information about the status of your house. To do that, we create a vision. So it's not a product, only a product. It's a vision of a connected product and systems based on different key points, such design, style and design, connectivities, because now in the 2020 we cannot talk about not connected products, services, that is also an important point in pre-sales to guide you to find the right solution for your needs, and as well in the after sales with a complete chain of support from the beginning, from the pre-sales to suggest you the right system solution, and then even if something goes wrong later on, to support you in the best way as possible. Simplicity is also an important driver, because the automation, the complicated automation system is just a memory of the past. So we move forward to an easy system, easy to use interface like the touchscreens or the app, in order to let you use and be in touch with your house in an easier way as possible. The new application view, that we put this name to the new application, introduce a new iconic language, a new user experience, in order to be really easy, understandable, even not for the smart technology, the millennials, but also for to everybody. We developed this interface using many customers worldwide, and to receive also the feedback from them if the application, if the system is really user-friendly and understandable for the mostly of the people around. Integration is also another important driver, because with the view we introduce an integration among our solution, and not only our solution. Imagine that we have a alarm system, a security system, a CCTV, or a video door entry system that can be fully integrated in our view platform. So it's not only a design, it's not only a product, but we call ecosystem. It's a complete environment based on simplicity, integration, design, and services. To do that, we offer different kind of products, systems, and we use different technologies. Why? Because we need to provide, a complete solution. Let me move. Sorry, I don't know what's happening here with. Okay, let's hide. Okay, the control bar. So we talk about functions, starting from the comfort, like light management, shutter automation, sound system, energy efficiency for climate, energy management in order to use the right amount of energy in certain hour of the day, for instance, to self-consume your own produced energy from the solar panel, for instance, and together with the load control, so to switch on some loads only when you have enough power available, and together with the safety, in order to have a complete environment, a safe environment, controlled by an alarm system, CCTV systems, and video door entry system. All this stuff integrated, controlled by the app, by voice vocal assistance, and also integrated with some other third-party application. Obviously, when we talk about the connected products, has to be managed by a remote phone. So from worldwide, you can be in touch with your house and disfruit the benefit of technology. What we can do and how we can do? Look, we can use different technologies. So here you find Connex, for instance, that is a worldwide standard for building automation and home automation. The Due Fili, that is a system developed by Vimar for the video door entry system, as well the IP technology, the same for the video door entry system. SIP, that is also a standard for the IP video door entry system, especially focus on big installation with in conjunction with telephones, systems, and so on. And for residential also, but not only for residential, we developed our solution ByMe that is based on Connex. Later on, we are going a little bit more deep on that. As well, the Quid, that is a sort of entry-level solution for the majority of the houses. What we can do, that we can also integrate radio frequency solution as well. So if there is no way to pull the cable into the pipes, sometimes we can solve issues with the wireless push buttons, wireless products, in order to integrate as much more function as possible. All solutions applied on residential, hospitality, nautical, such as yachts or cruisers, working places, office building, and so on, health and culture. So a complete 360 solution in order to match, to achieve what the customer, what the final user needs. Altogether, thinking about the design. So let's move first of all to the switches range, because this is a sort of a general overview that begin from the switches. Switches that are focused on different lines, different series, each one with different details, finishing, and solution as well. We begin with Aecon, where we use a platform, we call platform, the mounting frame, that is the same for all kind of plates the customer wants to apply. So we have a solution, for instance, with a tactile, with Aecon Evo, that has the inner frame chromed or golden or black, depends the taste and the combination of color. Aecon XE, where the material is really predominant on the plate XE, and then XE with the two particular finishing, the flat with a low run axial switches, push button in this case, and also the vintage, where the switches looks like the vintage style, the retro style. XE, as I introduced before, is a really elegant and material plate, available in different kind of finishing and different materials like glass, leather, glass with a mirror effect, wood, marble, and with aluminium, and brushed finishing. These in order to find the solution, the aesthetical design, the matching, depending your environment, your desire. Particular focus on vintage and flat. Look that we won 2 prizes, like the Aki products and the Iconic design, because offer something different, something new, even if it looks retro, but is now very well accepted and well desired by customer. Vintage is really a series that we had a good success with this series, because It's a very simple design, but very nice looking. The same for the flat, where the low run mechanism allows you to have almost a complete flat solution with a good perception of the movement. Here you can see also the engraving on the keys with the backlighted. So this can be done with a standard symbol or customized symbol as well. Tactile is another solution we offer for the high level of plates. Look, for instance, the tactile done with wood. Then we have a solution with glass, crystal, also with the possibility to have a customized logo, labels, also backlighted for the switches, for the controls. Then together with the normal Aecon Evo, match with the other plates around for TV socket, energy socket, and so all the other functions around your home. So there is a complete match of aesthetic among your house, your room. Arke is also another solution, young series with a nice looking 3-color devices, the classic black, the elegant white, and the new warm gray we call metal. 2 shapes, the rectangular, the classic, and the rounded, we call Arke round, that offer a complete range of finishing for different, even in different materials, to the customer. Really, Arke is really growing a lot and offers a right and the best compromise in terms of functionalities, because it's a complete series with all automation systems, all electromechanical devices, and a complete range of colors, materials, and combination. Really, the customer appreciate a lot Arke, and really the market really is growing for Arke. Then the Plana. Plana is a classic in our catalog that first in the world introduced the double injection plates for switches that simulate a glass effect. This is a double injection plate on the left side, the orange one, that create a 3D effect, a glass effect, but without any kind of dust or scratching or so on, because the 2 materials are melded together. In the Arke series, we improved this technology with the triple injection in order to perform a better experience, a better looking in the of the plate. So now let's move on to talk about technology solutions we can offer in our catalog. So we talk about different kind of levels, beginning from the standard installation. We have really a complete range of solutions, starting from the sockets, switches, customized, for instance, switches with the bell symbol, the light symbol, and something can be done also on demand, so no problem at all to customize products and plates. And then the next step is to move to a centralized functionalities like the Quid. Quid, later on, I will go a little bit deeper on the Quid, is an entry-level solution to provide the most essential functionality a customer could get. Next is the connected solution, where we need radio devices to be connected in order to move a simple switch to a connected switch, connected to the cloud, in order to be reachable even from remote. And then the next is the integrated system, we talk about a BIME or a Connex system, where really we can do a lot of functionalities with a lot of benefits and integration together with our other systems, like a video door entry system, like alarm systems, or third-party systems like in KNX, because Connex is a standard system where the installer, the system integrator, can integrate many other products made from third-party companies. So let's go a little bit deeper on QUID. QUID is called magnetic relay. Is a complete silent relays that introduce a very easy wiring with a big advantage for the customer, that is the master off. So on the left wiring scheme, it's very easy scheme, you find the 3 lights controlled by QUID with an additional wire, the reset, called reset. Connecting just all the QUID together with a specific cable, reset, and then to a push button, it is possible to switch off all the lights together without any kind of programming or complicated systems. So just pull a wire, connect all the air reset terminals together, and you control from one or more places the entire lights of your house or your room, okay, achieving the master off functionalities easily. So this is what we call entry-level solution to do a centralized control. The same for the shutter. So we have done a shutter control that can be centralized with a common switch commutator up and down. So without any kind of automation, complicated system, just 2 wires up and down, you achieve the master up and down for one room or the entire house. So really good solution in terms of installation and also price. Then, especially for somebody that wants the connection, the remote control, we have the connected solution, the connected smart installation. We talk about View Wireless, this is the name of the system, and is focused on an intelligent connected switch. This solution doesn't need a specific wiring, but it is possible to use the existing wiring and just replacing a device. Program it easily with an application, a very easy application with a sort of a wizard for the configuration. And then with the app, it is possible to configure up to 16 scenarios, so situation in your house, that combines shutters and lights, like for instance, all shutter up, all shutter down, some lights on, some lights off, some shutter on certain position, controlled locally by a push button, by a remote with the app, or with an additional radio button. So imagine that in some condition you cannot add the wires or to control, for instance, a light from a certain place in your room. With this solution, it is possible to add radio frequency devices that control, that manage this lamp. Altogether, this package can be also controlled through the vocal assistance. So easily, again, just do the pairing of the app with the vocal assistance, and that's it. So without any complicated configuration and so on. This is a subject of the next week webinar. So if you are interested on it, please subscribe the View Wireless training we are going to do next week. Radio, I anticipate you before, is a radio push button available in 3 different protocols that improve the controls of your house. We have 3 solutions due different application. So we have the Ocean, that is also a standard in radio transmission. Zigbee, especially designed for friend of you, and Bluetooth to work with, for instance, Casambi devices, Xicato devices, or as well our View wireless systems. So it's a sort of a jolly product that can be configured and can work with several other products on the market, expanding the possibilities to control your life, your lights and your environments. The same for the same products. There are different combinations of plates based on the previous what we have seen before. So Acon Evo, Acon XE, Plana, and Arquet. So we can match the functionalities together with the design. Next is the ByMe home automation system. We talk about integrated automation system because with the ByMe we had a multi-gateway solution with the gateway for automation system ByMe, that is a twisted pair connection. The video door entry system gateway, depending the technology of the video door entry system used, like IP or due fili, Elvox IP or Elvox due fili, and the ByAlarm for the alarm system. This integration done through the IP structure that connect also the touch screens present in your house allows you to control, to manage your house easily with the app View. That is the same app we use also for View Wireless. So with the one app, we have several applications. And the system is scalable, so is a multi-package basically. And all the system, the subsystems talks together. So it's a really integrated solution. Imagine that you turn on the alarm when you are leaving your home, and in the same time or with a delay as you wish, you have the master off for the lights, shutter down, and for instance also the climate reducing mode. Vice versa, you return back at home, only in the night time you activate a welcome scene, okay, so with a timer condition, a timing condition. The sensor of the alarm system, the contact on the windows, okay, trigger the alarm if the alarm is active, as well reduce the temperature of the thermostat when the door, the window, sorry, is open. The IR sensor switch on also the light in the corridor, in the bathroom, on the stairs. So really, this is the real integration due these common functionalities, this common structure. Next is the Connex. Connex is really a standard, is a worldwide standard, is an open protocol that allows many companies produce compatible products. Our solution is based on aesthetical solutions, so like push buttons, thermostats, the hotel, for instance, access control range. We have some actuators on the panel board in order to complete the installation. So it's not focused only on aesthetic, but also on accessories in the panel board to provide a complete solution. But leaving the system integrator to complete with some other application, some other products compatible Connex, using the ETS software used for the configuration. So it's a unique standard software. Here on the picture, you see a PC with our supervisor software that is focused on hotel application. So we have a specific software that manages the access control functionalities, as well as the hotel planner and the supervisor. This is a standard Connex supervisor that can be used also in a house, in an office building, and so on. So really a complete flexible solution. Let's move to the video door entry system part. We have also on this field different solutions. Talking about aesthetic, first of all. So we have a different entrance panel shapes to match the customer needs. Also combination of display, push button, audio, video that dress up the technology you have behind. That can be the Due Fili, our solution, Due Fili, suitable for small installation like a big installation. And on the other side, the IP or the SIP that is also a standard on the market. In terms of monitors, so intercom, we have also different solutions in terms of monitor with a video, without video, or telephones with a handset or open voice. So we have a complete range of products really to fit to suit all the customer needs. All the range is completed by the CCTV and the bus, the by alarm bug alarm system. So as I anticipated you before, we have also specific solution for security, focus on the alarm system that with a simple gateway can be integrated in the automation system, or the video surveillance that can be also integrated in the video door entry system, as well in the BuyMe home automation system in order to see the camera on the touchscreen page. To achieve really the integration. Now is fundamental to provide the integration. We sum up in order to finish this overview on our catalog, our solution, telling you that we have a complete solution in terms of technologies, in terms of systems, from beginning from the standard wiring to the consumer range. So it's almost a plug and play products. Think about a kit for the video door entry system, where you purchase a small bag, small box, and inside everything is already ready and configured to set up a video door entry system. As well, a professional system, tailor-made with our support in order to provide really to solve all the customer needs, to provide a complete solution for your customers. Obviously, the skill for the installer are different. The standard wiring is almost for everybody. The consumer products needs a very wizard application, where the professional systems needs a system integrator or IT specialist. But it is important to remember that in our catalog, there is a solution, the right solution for all your needs. And behind, matching all the solution, the technology solution we have, match with the aesthetic. So really we can offer a complete package from the aesthetical point of view and the technical point of view and the system point of view. So I finish this part telling you, remember you that in our website we have let's see, okay, it's coming now, telling you that in our website you can find all the information, all the documents, certification, manuals, video tutorial, in order to help you as much as we can. Please have a look on the website, and then for every product you find all the related documents, video, and manuals. We are now improving in this month the webinars part in order to guide you, to explain you as much as we can our products, our system, to guide you, to help you in the decision. but please, as usual, be in touch with our distributor, our sales guys, in order to let us know if you need much more support. We are here really to help you as much as possible, to make you happy, to find out the right solution you need. Small anticipation of the incoming webinars in the View Wireless. As I anticipated you before, next week we are going to talk about the View Wireless solution, the BuyMe Plus automation system in two kind of target, with the basic and advanced. The Buy Alarm, also basic overview and advanced configuration and features. Video Door Due Fili, basic and advanced, and the Video Door IP system. Please have a look, subscribe those webinars. We are going to do this kind of package of webinars monthly, so you can find the right date for you. So if you have questions, I'm here to answer you, really. And otherwise, I really remember you to subscribe our next webinars, and really I'm looking forward to see you again on these webinars and to find out the right solution for you. Okay, no answer, no questions, so let's keep in touch. I've renovated my invitation to the next webinars, so stay tuned on the VMware webinars. Thanks again.